Okay.
All right, it's recording. All right, this is Matthew Sky Osborne, Sky Sound, accepting my wife's ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I'm gonna do it a little different. I'm gonna name like a gang of people. I'm gonna challenge Melissa Rao, Kendra Rao, Katie Rao, SB, Mike Lacey, Bill Butler, Carl Kauser, I know you already did it, Steve Fairfax, Brandon Taylor, Bianca Johnson, Puna Johnson, Julie Canfield, Patrick Favors, Leanne Robertson, Carly Tobler, Michelle Perry, Carly Barlow, Demi Norwood, Mia Ray, Mike Leatherberry, Mario Hayward, Nicole Slyman, Dan Hamilton, Rebecca Foreman, Jason Sims, Jenna Marbles, Get Legs, Anna Valetsky, Oscar the Grouch, Big Bird, Archer, Bane, the Joker, Batman, Cobra Commander. And since I named so many names, I'm gonna do 3 buckets. All right.
Heavy. Yeah, you go.
Oh shit! Record again.
It's recording.
Triple H. I didn't. She's out.
I don't. Wait. Did Triple H? Oh.